Don't clown me for the soap I use. I know it's not the best. It's chemical, guys. All right, so I got 3 things in here. And that's what I'm gonna use. Just try to get everything covered in soap. Car still has rubber on it everywhere though. Hopefully the car didn't have too much water leaking inside. But that was a fast wash. Nice and quick. And there it is right there. Car wash, car wash. Okay, let's assess how much water got in the car. I know this back rear quarter is leaking a bit. Oh, okay. There's a little puddle there. I'm gonna move this back into the garage. Dude, the car sounds so different with the windows up. That's like super weird. Bro. Come on, bro. Oh, yeah, there it is right up. Hey, y'all boys clap it up. I need to get my wheel as well so I can hop on sim, but let's talk about how this thing drove at Sebring. The biggest change that I made was the front camber. And if you didn't watch the video, I set it to -7.7, which is a lot, but that helps at full lock. I was talking with my friend and my caster right now is at 8 and he recommends it to be at 6, which basically means that I'm pushing the wheel further back. I'm pushing it further that way and that'll make the car way more snappy. The only other thing that I changed was the preload. I think I'm getting super used to driving the car too, because before when I first got the cage and the helmet, every first like 3 laps I was hitting my head, and now I don't even realize the cage is there. So I'm getting really used to the cage, which is really good. Oh, I have a big reveal, big surprise in this video. It's not at the end. So if you're clicking around or skipping around trying to find it, you're not gonna find it. Watch the full video, I do have a surprise. I'll tell you guys, you'll see if you watch the whole thing. Let's go to the workshop.
Half of my head is recorded.
All right, what are we doing today, man?
Rollers.
Proud. Who do you think you are?
Oh.
Who do you think you are, man? What does that mean to you? Like box? Like box? Like what? Like, ooh, you smell that?
Ooh, yeah.
You know it's burning oil, right?
I know, I was about to say, it smells like burning oil.
Oh, it's also overheating, so I should probably turn it off.
What?
I didn't turn the fans on.
Oh. I thought you had, the first time I'm seeing this car after how many months you've painted it?
This is the first time you've seen it painted, yeah.
Yeah, it's the first time I've seen it painted.
Reactions?
I don't know. I do like the black.
It's not black, man. You're just racing. Oh, that's tough. You can't tell me that's not tough.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice.
It looks really good in the sun. Like right now, it looks mad flat. It doesn't look glossy at all. It also has a lot of orange peel, but
yeah, I could see that. Are you gonna buff it?
I don't know, man. That's what they told me to do.
You're just not in that.
They told me to buff it, but I don't know.
Just buff it out.
How much that cost? Okay, it's the next day and the filming yesterday went super good. It was really good. We got a bunch of rollers bunch of stuff on Instagram. It's posted right now, so if you wanna go see it, follow my Instagram, or just look at the pictures and don't follow it, I don't know. Right now, I'm about to head to the workshop, and the reason I'm heading to the workshop is to get my HKS muffler and reinstall it back on my S14. It's got the track exhaust setup on it right now, and that's basically a dump pipe right past the axle, but it's in the name, it's a track exhaust setup. It's not for the street. If you know, you know. Not gonna say much more. Boy, that SR is freaking loud, dude. That is not a streeting car, especially here, because it's very hard to do it here. So things are changing, so I gotta change with those things. The original video back in the day, it's not really back in the day, it was like a couple of months ago. I'm gonna have a card here so you can go and watch it. That's when I first bought the HKS muffler to go drive, but obviously we had engine issues and I didn't really get a good amount of streeting in. Another thing I want to address real fast, the GoPro footage has not been the best, and I apologize for that, guys, but I'm working on it to get the exposure dialed in, so that way when I have the in-car footage, you can see out of the car. Because right now, all you see is just me driving, and then it's just like white, like heaven. Out of the front windshield, you can't see anything, so I'm trying to work on that and fix that, dial that in. Aside from that, the audio from the GoPro and the driving videos is freaking nasty. It's dialed in, that's perfected, and we'll do that in this video. We'll do some more street testing. Once the muffler's on, we're gonna go drive around because I just wanna see how it sounds again because I forgot, it's been a while. And I'll try to dial in the GoPro, and you'll see from this video if I did or not. Hopefully I did. Editing Chris will know, even though I'm not gonna tell you now. As for the surprise, so I've waited a long time to have something like this. I have it now, which is just like, it's mind blowing. I have it now. And what I got is a surprise that I'm not gonna tell you just yet. It's not that time yet, but keep watching because I will, I will tell you guys. But right now, let's head to the workshop, get this muffler, and then head back here and then get to work. Let's go. Yeah, there's no shot that I have these in here from last track day still. Come on. There you go. Really? There it is, tucked away in the corner with my old drive shaft. That's crazy. Okay, it's not that heavy, it's just an awkward angle. HKS exhaust acquired. My mats are here too. Put this in the S14. All right, I guess she's staying here. I don't know what she's doing. Got the old Iron Man tires as the door stops. I miss the Iron Mans, like 75 bucks a piece. Super easy. Now I've got to pay like 150 for a tire. Why is she still standing there? Oh, damn. Did not mean to do that. If you're wondering, it's super easy to do this when you have the camera in your hand as well. All right. I'm gonna get some water and then we're gonna get out of here, head back to the home shop. Hopefully get some driving in today. That's the plan. That's the goal, is to get some driving in, get some driving in today. Before I go, I just realized that I think the hardware for the muffler is still here. If anybody is looking for a clutch for their SR20, I have a comp stage for a clutch and ultra lightweight flywheel. So with ARP hardware for the flywheel and OEM hardware for the pressure plate, I'm selling this extremely cheap because I'm just trying not to throw it away. So if you want one, even if it's a spare, DM me on Instagram or leave a comment below or something. I'm trying to get rid of that. Oh, here it is. This is the hardware to reinstall the muffler. I can reuse the track setup, but that hardware is kind of so I'm gonna use that right there, and it's got the gasket. Go up, clutch kick, there you go. Back to the home shop. Honest question for you guys, do you guys like the content at the workshop or the home shop better? Which one? I don't know what that thing is on the wall right there. And they are attracted to dark objects, carbon dioxide, movement, and warmth. So yeah, that took an hour of just fear and trying to hit it. They bite, they're fast, persistent, aggressive, and no, it's not just a little. They dig into your skin and pull the chunk out of your skin to form a pool of blood for their eggs. Like, who invented that? Anyway, the hardest part about this is gonna be trying to get these back into the hanger. I need to bleed this jack real bad. There's our track exhaust. Hardest part about the muffler install is gonna be these hangers. Just trying to get them through. There we go. Okay, maybe it's easy to put this in and just hard to take it out. We're done, almost. I gotta put this last exhaust hanger. So yeah, I don't think y'all have noticed yet, this is the first time I've ever had an exhaust on the car since paint. So if you remember, I took this to paint. I've had the muffler off for so long. It got painted with the muffler off. This is the first time the car has actually been fully together with the muffler and everything. No more raw SR sounds, but it's a decent sacrifice, you know, it looks nice and complete. For the surprise, I'll give you some hints, try to guess it before I actually tell you what it is. All right, that's it, nah. That's it, that's your hint, I got a standalone for the car. Obviously, I'm not gonna dive into it right now and go into a bunch of detail because obviously that's gonna be like a huge series. That's gonna be like, we're gonna go into the car. I mean, like we're gonna do a bunch of stuff with the car. It is quiet, dude. Like, you know you're maturing when you get in the car and you get hyped up because it's quiet. It's so nice, and I know it's gonna be so perfect when I'm streeting because it's so incognito. It's like you drive around and it's like, do you hear that? Not really. So I'm happy. I can sacrifice the no raw SR sounds if I'm gonna get some practice in, so that's good. In terms of car looks complete and I'm happy with it. Of course, it doesn't look complete for track days. Ooh, shit, that looks good. Hold up. I'm gonna put some music on right now, some music that I like to listen to, and I'm gonna give you guys some nasty shots of the car, cause damn, hold on, turn that music on, hold on. If you didn't know, the reason I put a muffler on It's hot outside, man. Even when it's not hot, it's hot in that car especially. That muffler sounds freaking really good. I'm glad it's more quiet now. I can do certain things now that I have the muffler on the car. If you want to see some of that, make sure you stay tuned. 2 weeks, I'm gonna be driving again. It's gonna be all tandems, all tandem driving. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you hit subscribe. That's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, bye, thanks for watching.